Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide your number on iPhone. So go ahead and press your settings. Scroll a little bit down to find phone. Gonna hit apps. Try to pin down phone. Press it. And then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down. And here you're gonna see show my caller ID. So go ahead, press it. And then what you're gonna do, just turn it off. Okay? And once you turn it off, you're gonna be able to call with a private number, like instead of the phone number itself, right? So when the caller receives a new phone call from you, let's say, they will see a private number instead of the actual number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.